Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to turn $100,000 into $1 million in just 1 year. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds crazy. And you'd be right, it's not going to be easy. But with the right strategy, dedication, and a little bit of luck, it's definitely achievable. We're going to explore 5 key strategies that can help you on this journey. Remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about understanding your risk tolerance, making informed decisions, and being patient. Make sure you stick around until the very end of the video, because I'm going to be sharing some bonus tips that will give you an extra edge. Let's get started. Before you even think about putting your money into anything, you need a rock-solid investment strategy. This is like building a house. You don't start with the roof. You need a strong foundation. Your investment strategy is that foundation. It's a roadmap that outlines your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and how you plan on reaching those goals. Think of it like this. Let's say you're driving from Los Angeles to New York. You wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving without a map or GPS, right? You'd plan your route, figure out where you're going to stop, and maybe even factor in some detours. It's the same with investing. You need to know your destination, your financial goal, and the route you're going to take to get there. Start by asking yourself some key questions. What are your short-term and long-term financial goals? Are you looking to buy a house in a few years? Retire early? What level of risk are you comfortable with? Are you okay with in the short term for higher returns in the long term? Or do you prefer more stable, lower-risk investments? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals and risk tolerance, you can start researching different investment options and building a portfolio that aligns with your overall strategy. Remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. Your strategy needs to be tailored to your individual needs and goals. Don't fall into the trap of chasing the latest investment trends or listening to that friend who claims to have made a killing in the market. What works for someone else might not work for you. Take the time to educate yourself, seek advice from qualified financial advisors if needed, and create a plan that you're comfortable with. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. A well-defined investment strategy will keep you focused, disciplined, and on track to reach your financial destination. Now let's talk about high-risk, high-reward investments, the accelerators on your road to $1 million. These are investments that have the potential for significant returns in a short period, but they also come with a higher chance of losing your money. It's like putting your foot on the gas pedal. You can reach your destination faster, but you also increase the risk of an accident if you're not careful. One example of a high-risk, high-reward investment is investing in individual stocks. Think of companies like Tesla or Apple in their early days. Investing in these companies early on came with significant risk. But for those who believed in their vision and held on, the rewards were astronomical. However, for every Apple or Tesla, there are hundreds of other companies that didn't make it. That's the risk you take with individual stocks. Another example is cryptocurrency. We've all heard the stories of people turning a few $1,000s into millions by investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum early on. But we've also seen the volatility of the crypto market, with prices fluctuating wildly. It's a roller coaster ride, and you need a strong stomach to handle the ups and downs. So, should you put all your money into high-risk investments hoping to get rich quick? Absolutely not. Remember, with great reward comes great risk. These types of investments should only make up a small portion of your portfolio, especially if you're starting with $100,000. Understand the company, the technology, or the market you're investing in. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because everyone else is doing it. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, can be a powerful motivator, but it can also lead to rash decisions. Remember, investing is not gambling. Don't treat it like a trip to Vegas. Be calculated, be informed, and most importantly, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Chapter 3. Real estate investments, building your empire. Real estate is an asset class that has stood the test of time. It's tangible, it's a necessity, and it can generate both passive income and appreciation over time. Think of it as building your own empire, brick by brick. Now, $100,000 might not be enough to buy a mansion in Beverly Hills outright, but it's a decent starting point to get your foot in the door of the real estate market. One option is to look for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods. These areas might not be as glamorous as the more established ones, but they offer higher potential for growth. Look for signs of revitalization, new businesses opening, infrastructure improvements, or a growing young professional population. These are all indicators that property values are likely to increase in the future. Another approach is to consider rental properties. With $100,000, you might be able to make a down payment on a multifamily property or even a small apartment complex. The rental income can help cover your mortgage payments and other expenses, while you benefit from property appreciation over the long term. And don't forget about the power of leverage. Real estate allows you to use debt, in the form of a mortgage, to acquire an asset that's worth significantly more than your initial investment. This is a powerful tool that can amplify your returns. However, keep in mind that real estate is not without its risks. Property values can fluctuate, tenants can be unpredictable, and unexpected repairs can eat into your profits. It's important to factor in all these costs and potential downsides before making any investment decisions. Do your due diligence, research the market, and if necessary, consult with experienced real estate agents or investors to make informed decisions. Remember, real estate is a long-term game. It's about building wealth gradually, brick by brick, and creating a legacy that can benefit you for generations to come. Chapter 4. Diversified Portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Key to managing risk and maximizing your chances of success. Think of it like this. If you drop a basket with all your eggs in it, you're going to lose everything. But if you spread your eggs across multiple baskets, the impact of dropping one basket is significantly reduced. The same principle applies to your investment portfolio. Instead of putting all your money into a single asset class, like stocks or real estate, you want to spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. This helps to mitigate risk because if one investment performs poorly, the others can help to cushion the blow. For example, if the stock market experiences a downturn, your real estate investments might hold their value or even appreciate, balancing out your overall portfolio. So how do you diversify your $100,000 portfolio? First, consider a mix of stocks and bonds. Stocks, as we discussed, offer higher growth potential but also come with higher volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are generally considered less risky and provide a steady stream of income. A well-balanced portfolio will typically include a mix of both. Next, think about diversifying within each asset class. Instead of investing in just one or two, this gives you exposure to a diversified basket of stocks, reducing your risk compared to picking individual winners and losers. You can also diversify geographically. Don't limit yourself to just the US market. Consider investing in international stocks or funds that provide exposure to emerging markets. These markets often have higher growth potential, although they also come with their own set of risks. The key takeaway here is that diversification is about spreading your risk and not putting all your hopes on a single investment. It's about creating a balanced portfolio that can weather market storms and deliver consistent returns over the long term. Chapter 5. Continuous Learning. Investing in your most valuable asset, you. The world of finance is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging, markets are shifting, and investment strategies that worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why continuous learning is crucial to your success as an investor. Think of it as investing in your most valuable asset, your mind. The more you learn about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. It's like learning a new language or mastering a new skill. The more you practice, the more fluent you become. So, how do you invest in your financial education? Well, you're already doing it right now by watching this video, but don't stop here. There are countless resources available to help you expand your knowledge. Read books by renowned investors like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, or Benjamin Graham. Listen to podcasts, attend webinars, and follow reputable financial news sources to stay up to date on market trends and analysis. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment with different investment strategies. Open a practice account with a brokerage firm and simulate trades without risking your actual capital. This will give you a feel for how the market works and help you gain confidence in your decision-making abilities. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of investing, that power translates into financial freedom. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to grow your wealth, achieve your financial goals, and secure your financial future. Start building your future today. There you have it. 5 powerful strategies to help you turn $100,000 into $1 million in just 1 year. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so do your research and invest wisely. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and a solid understanding of the markets. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused on your goals, continue to educate yourself, and remember that the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and strategies.